Good practice. Sure, let me go pee. Go pee. I'm thinking.
What are you in the mood for food? You want smoking pig or you want...
Yeah, let's do barbecue. Let's do barbecue. Let's do barbecue. And there's stickers and stuff. I saw that you got your magnets. Good. Good job.
You put it on top of your USB, which might wipe out anything you save on it. Magnets are bad for USB.
No, I didn't put anything on the USB, or
You're
come
fine
preloaded?
now.
Okay.
It won't destroy it for all the time.
You want the normal?
Sure.
The greens or the...
Collard greens. Yeah.
I have a tiny person who thoroughly appreciates all of your stickers. Keeps
Oh, really?
putting them on all kinds of things and on people. It's really funny.
That's nice.
She's like, I find them on Friends all the time. Like, oh, she stickered you.
Do you want the pie that they have? The key lime or the...
Sure.
Which would you like?
Key lime. So does anybody want to do a testimonial for Speaker's Kit?
Practice.
Yeah. Oh, that's good. We'll disguise it as practice. Be careful with your
exactly.
cord. And stand right over there. And you can, and let me just do.
DoorDash is what
Perfect.
We're doing barbecue from Smoking Pig.
Okay. So do you want to do, here, go
Work together.
go in the back and do ordering in your rooms while I do testimonials. Because you're going to want to talk.
I'm sent to my room.
Yeah. Kathy Vartuli, go to your room. Kathy. All right, Keisha.
If I can remember everything.
What so it's you can tell people like, hi, my name's Keisha, and if you have a website, and then this is what I got out of Speaker's Kit.
Okay. Now, do I go now?
Yep.
Okay. Hi, I'm Keisha, and my website is playwithkeisha.com, and I just took Reid Mihalko's readaboutsex.com Speaker's Kit, and I learned a lot of information. It was fabulous. Definitely gave me a starting place for, he gave all kinds of list of things that you need to have in order so that you look really professional. We even, in class, got our EIN numbers and filled out a W-9 form and learned how to put the signature on the PDF W-9. It was really cool. We got to do that in class. And there's just a lot of things that I now have in my toolbox so that when I do want to do a speaking engagement, I know how to go about it and be super professional and do it the way that he's learned. And it gave me a lot of shortcuts so that I don't have to take years to learn this stuff. So it was really awesome, and I highly recommend it.
That was perfect. Good job.
Thank you.
That was well done. Do you want any upgrades or things to share as like the way things that we would do in conservatory?
What about?
Yeah. So from a speaking piece, right? Things to know about microphones. You can go sideways, right?
Sideways.
Or you can go in front. Just don't do like this, right, with the camera. But for you and I who both get animated, when you start getting animated, now we can't hear you. So get animated here. Yeah, you did just a smidge.
Oh, okay.
But if again, like teaching you now, showing you now, because we had, if you saw some of the testimonials from last year's camp, I'm forgetting her name right now, but she got so excited, she just started talking. It was Effie Blue, was just like talking, and then because this microphone is meant to, it works best when it's really in your face. So she had these beautiful things she was saying, but then all of a sudden you couldn't hear her because the microphone was so far away, and now you can hear it. So again, that was it. Everything else was great.
Cool.
Good job.
Thank you.
Yay. Did you want to do one fish? Go for it. And let me just adjust it for your height.
Yes. I'm a tall man.
You are a tall man.
I can
Go
see
ahead,
this.
tall man. There, yeah, cool.
Can you see me now?
We can, yeah.
All right. Let me know when you're ready.
We are ready.
All right. Hi, my name is Fish, School of Sensual Desires. My website is sosdesires.com. I am here at the end of Speakers Kit 101 by Reid Mihalko of readaboutsex.com. It's been an awesome day. And one of the things that I really got out of being here today is not just information, but also the time to go and implement what he was actually going and teaching about, what both Reid and Kathy taught about. I've been through a lot of workshops. I spent thousands upon thousands of dollars, and then I get home from the workshop and I don't do any of it. I know I'm not alone, and one of the things that I find really valuable in some of the things I do with Reid Mihalko is actually getting to implement and work on them right then and there, so I actually have pieces of it done, so I'm not starting from scratch once I go and get home. So I'm very grateful for it, and if you have an interest in being a speaker, or if you ever want to be interviewed by anyone else as part of your business, I'd highly, highly recommend being a part of the Speakers Kit 101.
Yay! Good job.